Okay guys, ito na ang pinaka last na episode nito guys. So nakita nyo naman, di masyado yung run ng ano ni Janko. So yun guys, 12 minutes na lang. 12 minutes na lang guys. Mag-uumpisa na ang mama mo na saka. Mag-uumpisa na guys yung bagong update. Ang galing nito, may beanstalk. May beanstalk. Beanstalk. Dami dito. Ayun nga pala, kulit na natin pala nga ito sa lagyan naman natin. Chocolate. Cocoa. Cow. Should I restock the summer seed? Huwag na. May coconut pala ako. Cocoa nga pala. Ito pa. And then, picture 30 seconds. Picture plan. Oh no! Yes pala, yes. Nag-stock siya picture guys. Picture, kita niyan. Kitang-kita niyan. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Meron ding master. May master. Kailangan mo master, may palagyan. I mean, it's fine. Not the best, pero pwede na. So, kaya ko hinaan guys yung kasi baka makapirate tayo sa YouTube. Pwede itong mag-stop guys. Pwede natin hindi yung upload to dahil sa copyright. Admin abuse. Sugar apple sugar, please. They don't want and low quad. Okay. Prickly pear. Siguro stock niya to lahat. Bell pepper. Kiwi, pineapple. Sabi na eh. May isa-isa rin eh. Pineapple. One of everything. So, hindi ko na yung bibilin kasi wala naman ako may banana. Banana. Avocado. Green apple. One of everything. Watermelon. Baka stock mo pa to. Hindi. May stock na to. Wala ka may crazy. Pero di siya nagkasugal, sayang. Okay. 7 minutes guys until bago mag yun, yung update UPD. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. Pag in-stock mo yan, 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 masaya ako. Yes, yes. Jandel. Sana bigay nga talaga ni Jandel. In-stock na ba? Hindi. Should try lang kasi sabi niya eh. Siguro hinantay niya 30 seconds. Guys, ready tayo. In case guys, na-stock niya bigla. Okay. Hindi na in-stock. Jandel. Yung mga ibang YouTuber. My weather commands have broken. Weather command. Oh no. Nag-volcano. Kag-volcano. Yan, nag-ping. Oh, wait. Basic godly. Sorry for not admin abuse. Ay, hindi pala admin abuse. Oh, oh, holy, holy, holy shit. Bakit? Oh my god. Sugar apple on stock. Uy, saan ko kaya i-plant to guys? Ba't yung screen ko nagkukulay blue? DJ! Eh, 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 eh. May sugar apple tayo. Uy, sugar apple. Woo! Gawin natin guys. Yung, tapos tayo ito. Gambling! Ooh, not good. Not bad, pero pwede na. Sila pwede ko mag-gamit. Kasi hindi ako nakapagod. May sama. Push ko. 2 minutes, update in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes yan, guys. Lapit na, guys. Woo! Hey. Admin abuse stock. Okay. Hindi Pineapple. Ayan. Ayan, hindi na yung sticky. Banana. Bell pepper. Ayan. Anong klaseng stuff yan? Loquat. 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 Kay Joe, ano, what is it? Tsaka isa pa ulit sugar apple. So, lalabas lang dito guys, yung ano, 1 minute and 40 seconds until the update arrives. Please master. Wag ka na magka-master. Wag ka na. Okay. Update in 50 seconds. Update in 50 seconds. 50 seconds yan guys. Ako, hindi, bawal mag-gift. Bawal mag-gift. Bawal, alam ko. Okay, bigyan mo nga. 60 seconds. 30 seconds until the update. Until update. Until update. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh, week 1 of summer. And paradise. Ooh, damn. Sam. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ayun yung fossil. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay. Who like the animation? Me. Maganda siya. Trade pets for dino. What? You must submit pets. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. 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 Ano meron? Ano meron? Go free upgrades. Okay. Alam ko na yan guys. Alam ko na yan. Oh, yeah. Paradise egg nga guys. Mga out-stock. Okay guys. So siguro dito muna tayo mag-end. Ito, yung sunod na video tayo na video guys. Peace.